Shivani Narayan modern fashion choice have become a captivating showcase. Offer style, elegance, blending shapes, trend with a bold personal edge that keep her fans hooked. Know for her effortless way of embracing current fashion while infusing it. With her signature charm, the beauty is doing everything from sleek bodycon dresses to oversized streetwear. With equal pose, her ability to navigate different style has made her a trendsetter. And she often opts for structure silhouettes that accentuated her figure. Whether it's a classical monochrome gown or a vibrant patent mini dress that radiant energy and youthfulness, she effortlessly goes from pastel shade tones like blush pink and lavender to striking shades like deep red electric blue, reflecting her versatile. Her versatile and adventure fashion spirits, accessorizing play a significant role in her style as well. She often completes with statement earrings, layering, necklace that add an element of luxury and fastness. Choice of footwear is equally electric from silhouetted heels, from glamorous looks to chunky boots. That add a touch of edginess to her outfit. For street style, Shivani opts for high-waisted jeans paired with crop tops or oversized streets, achieving a relaxed yet polished VIP that resonate with the young fashion enthusiasts in more formal settings. She gravitated towards elegant saris, lining that modern cuts and design embraces traditional attire with a modern twist. That speak to her culture roots yet appeal to contemporary aesthetic. Her makeup and hairstyle choices further elevate her look. Often she opts for soft glamorous makeup that highlight her natural beauty, complements by sleek hairstyle or a soft wave that frame her face beautifully. Each appearance reflects her eye of fashion sense and her blingness to push boundaries, making her a true icon. For modern fashion loves, her loves for experimental silhouettes elevate in her choice like a symmetric dresses and high-low hemlines that add dramatic and moments, ensuring she stand out whether she on the red carpet or in a casual photo shoots. The actress frequently symbols the glam side of a fashion fabric like satin silk and sequin that are luxurious scenes to her look reflect sophisticated yet playful. Her look reflecting a sophisticated yet playful sides for her personality. She has an affinity for dresses with cutouts, plug-ins, necklace, or tight high silk style that exude confidence and stability, push traditional boundaries when it comes to layering and the beauty display, any understanding to texture and combination in color seasons. She often seen pairing with oversized blazers and wearing leather jackets over slip dresses for a chic urban feel. Her ability to mix edgy elements with softer feminine pieces. Give her style distinct signature that many find inspiring. Her accessory game is strong and she adapts choosing pieces that enhance but never overpower her outfits, from oversized hooping earrings and chunky chain necklace to delicate anklets and stacked rings. Her accessories are always on trend, enhancing her looks with a touch of elegance, rebellious flair. Her casual outfits often showcase an enviable blend of comfort and style. Her off-duty style blend toward coat sets, joggers with crop tops, and graphic paired with denim short or skirts. Each look capturing a youthful backlight VIP that feel effortlessly. She also knows to experiments with flavoring slick lehenga sports, bras and hoodies for a sport aesthetic that resonate with her active lifestyle. The beauty enjoying playing with different makeup trends from smoky eye and weird eyeliner to glossy lips and fresh Devi skin aligning her beauty look with her fashion choices. She often embraces bold poses and expression stance which highlight not just her outfits but her confidence and attitude. The fashion forward approach make her a dramatic presence in the industry. As she continued to relevant look and adapt to global fashion trends, her wardrobe often including striking codes in bold prints or monochromatic themes. Each set meticulously tailored to emphasize her silhouettes while offering comfort and easier testament to her ability to balance style with a functionality. One of the most admiring traits in her skill infusing contrasting elements, often pairing edgy pieces like leather pants and structured blazes with soft, more feminine items such as leg tops, delicate cassillons, creating a visually compelling looks that minor her multi-faced personality. She footwear choice amplifier her style as seamlessly traditional from sky-high heels that add a touch of glamour to her evening attire to casual sneakers that provide comfort for her everyday outfits. She also favors trendy ankle boots, showcasing her versatility and adaptability to different fashion moods. Give a style distinct signature that many find inspiring. Her accessory game is strong and she adapts choosing pieces that enhance but never overpower her outfits, from oversized hooping earrings and chunky chain necklace to delicate anklets and stacked rings. Whether it's a classical monochrome gown or a vibrant patent mini dress that radiant energy and youthfulness, she effortlessly goes from pastel shade tones like blush pink and lavender to striking shades like deep red electric blue, reflecting her versatile. As she continued to relevant look and adapt to global fashion trends, her wardrobe often including striking codes in bold prints or monochromatic themes.